I know you are having an issue with reused content. You have been battling with reused content for a very long time now, or maybe you have managed to reach the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Then when you apply for the YouTube Partner Program, YouTube rejects you. After watching this video to the very end, you will be able to fix that in one try. I was once in your shoe before, but I was managed to get out of that after I applied this method I'm going to teach you on this video. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Classic TV Worldwide, the best blog for entertainment. Please don't skip this video while you are watching it, because if you skip this video, you might lose that important information that will really fix this your reuse content issue. So make sure you watch this video to the end. I'd rather watch a 1-hour video and fix my problem than to reapply and reapply and reapply and still get rejected. Because if you don't do these changes, YouTube will reject the hell out of you. So you need to take this video very seriously. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. First of all, what is reuse content? Reuse content is when a creator starts uploading videos on their channel that they do not own, or they do not add a significant value to that video, or transform that video in one way or the other to make that video their own. So how do you make a video your own that you did not create? Is by adding commentary to that video, adding your face to that video, making sure that that video is different from the original video. That is the only way you can escape reuse content policy. So now, how do you fix reuse content policy if that is what you are battling with? Number one thing you need to do, you need to delete every video on your channel that you did not own. Like you did not create this video yourself. You have to take it down. Videos that are blurry, videos that are dark, videos that don't have sound, please go now and take down those videos before reapplying, or else you will still get rejected. So the number two thing you need to do, you need to create an introduction video. Yes, if you check my channel, you will see an introduction video. I never had an introduction video when I was starting this channel, but after I was hit by reuse content, I had no option than to create an introduction video, and that really helped me a lot. So your introduction video might be just 1 minute or 2 minutes long. On that introduction video, you need to explain to YouTube, you need to tell YouTube what your channel is all about, mention your channel name on the video, tell YouTube what this channel is all about and what you'll be offering on this YouTube channel. Make it very short and brief so that anybody that comes to your channel can easily watch that without skipping it or wasting time there. So by so doing, you are now in the process of getting remonetized, because when YouTube comes to review your channel, this is one of the first things they look out for. So you better take it very serious. Introduction video is very, very serious. So make sure you have an introduction video on your channel explaining what your channel is all about, and so on and so forth. So the number three thing you need to do, you need to upload a full HD photo of you as a profile picture and banner. Yes. A lot of us have logos on our channel, but as long as you are battling with reuse content, you have to use your own image. Even if you have a logo, take it out and put your photo there. Maybe after you have been monetized, then you can re-add your logo and take out your photo if you want to. I had a logo on my channel before, but after battling with reuse content, I have to remove it and put this one you are seeing right now. I took this one in the studio. In case you don't have a very bright camera phone, you can go to a studio, or if you have maybe pictures from your previous birthday that you took in the studio, you can still use it as your profile picture. That will be acceptable too. So make sure your banner too has your name on it and it is well designed to fit your channel niche. Like if you are doing a cooking channel, make sure you have like a goosey soup or where you are cooking on your banner. If you can't do that, make sure you have your channel name crested on the banner. Just make sure that channel represents the banner and the banner represents the channel. That is what I have to tell you. So the number four thing you need to do, you need to update your video description. Yes, a lot of people just post videos on YouTube without making good description, without writing good description. Yes, description helps your video ranks on YouTube search. It helps your video a lot. You're not doing YouTube a favor, but you are doing yourself a favor. After posting video on YouTube, kindly take out your time and write good description. Don't just go there and say please subscribe, or maybe just put your phone number there and you leave it like that. When YouTube comes to review your channel and see a thing like this, they will say this guy or this girl is not serious. You are just showing sign of a lazy creator. So you better make sure you write a very good description. It will help you a lot in your YouTube journey, so that whenever you apply for monetization, you can be accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. So the number 5 thing you need to do, you need to update your about section. Your about section is like your introduction video, but this is like the writing in the writing format. So on your about section, you need to explain to YouTube what this channel stands for, what this channel is here to achieve, what this channel is here to offer, and what and when and time you will be posting on your channel. In case you want to add other details about you, like your social media handles, you can do that on your about section. And when YouTube comes to your channel after your introduction video, this is the next place they go to. Then they will check your highest viewed videos on your channel and so on and so forth. So take this thing very seriously. Your introduction video and your about section, you need to take them seriously. Don't joke with these two things. It is very, very important. So the number 6 thing you need to do on your channel, you need to delete every copyrighted videos on your channel. Every video that has copyright claim on them, please take it down. You cannot monetize your channel with a copyrighted material. Copyright claim means another creator has that content on their channel and it is already monetized there. So you cannot monetize a content that is already monetized on the YouTube platform. Take these things very seriously. Go to your creator studio. If you can trim out the copyright, you trim it out. But if you cannot trim out the copyright, take it down completely. Don't reapply for monetization if you have any form of copyright claim on your videos. It will hinder you from getting back into the YouTube partner program. Don't joke with this. Make sure you cross-check all your videos very well and check the videos with copyright claim and take it down. No matter how many views that video has, make sure you take it down or trim out the copyright claim. The number 7 thing you need to do, you need to start uploading videos on your channel. Yes, after deleting all these videos, you might lose a lot of watch hours. Yes, you might lose a lot of watch hour. But even if after losing all this watch hour, you still have like 4,000 watch hour left for you to reapply for monetization. Don't just relax and say, I still have 4,000 watch hours, so let me just wait for the 1 month that YouTube gave me and reapply. You will be rejected. Like YouTube will reject the hell out of you because you did not show any effort. You did not post new videos to tell YouTube like this channel is still active, this channel still want to work with us, this channel still have good intentions for this platform. You just deleted videos and you are waiting for YouTube to accept you back into the YouTube partner program. No, it is not done that way. After deleting videos, you still have to upload fresh content that is showing your face, that your face are in them. Make sure you post those kind of content and post like 5 or 6 of new fresh content so that when you apply for YouTube partner program, you will be accepted in a speed of light. So make sure you upload fresh content after deleting videos. Don't relax and wait for you to use your old watch hour and reapply. No, don't do that. Don't do that. That is a sign of a lazy creator. You are very, very lazy. Come on, get up and start creating content. So the last thing you need to do to be accepted into the YouTube partner program with immediate effect is by going live on your channel for 30 minutes or above. Yes, a lot of people don't know this trick or this method, but it works like magic. When you go live on your channel, this is a very big sign to YouTube that this channel belongs to this person. And this person is not trying to impersonate this channel, because when a reused content has been issued to you, it simply means 1, you are a robot, or 2, this channel is an impersonator. That is why you are reusing people's content, or this channel doesn't stand for what it claims. So going live on your channel will automatically tell YouTube that, see, I am the owner of this channel and I am the one operating it, because you cannot fake live stream. You cannot fake live stream. So anybody that is showing on that live stream on that channel, automatically that person is the one in charge of the creator studio of that YouTube channel and also in charge of uploading videos on that YouTube channel. So if you can go live on your channel, it is an added advantage, like 80% added advantage for you to be accepted back into the YouTube partner program. So guys, if you watch this video to this very point, then congratulations in advance, because you are on your way of getting back into the YouTube partnership program. Kindly like this video if this video was really helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe, because on this channel I'll be sharing my experience with you guys time to time. So if you really have any issues or something you really want to ask me about, check the number showing on your screen. You can contact me. That's my WhatsApp number. And if you are having issues of growing back your watch hour, maybe after deleting videos you lost a lot of watch hour, I can tell you how to boost those watch hours back. I can help you boost those watch hours back. So chat me up with the number showing on your screen, and don't forget to share this video to your friends who are battling with reused content, for them to fix their reused content in one try. Yes, if you follow these steps I gave on this video, there is no Jupiter that will stop you from getting remonetized. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you, and see you guys on my next video, and bye for now.